So this circuit is given and we are asked to find V0, which is the voltage across the 9 kilo ohm resistor. The first thing we can notice is the current comes from the source to this node and then it splits up. This current is the same across both the resistors, so we know they are in series. So let's combine them. In series, you can simply add the resistors. So this gives you 18 kilo ohm. Whenever you simplify a circuit, it's good practice to redraw the circuit. Now we can see the 9 and 18 kilo ohm resistor are in parallel because they have two common nodes between them and no other elements in those branches. So let's combine these two resistors. So in parallel, you multiply in the numerator, and in the denominator you just add them. This gives you 6 kilo ohm. So let's redraw the circuit again. So you have 30 milliamp here. You have 6 kilo ohm here from here. So this is V0 and this is the current. So let's just use Ohm's law. V equals IR. V is what we're looking for. I is 30 milliamp and resistance is 6 kilo ohm. This gives you 180 volt for the value of V0.